How to resize image on Photopea. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can resize any image on Photopea. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your browser, and once in the browser you need to go to photopea.com. Now once you have added image to the Photopea, you need to simply go ahead and make sure that it is selected. Now you can see an option in the top left corner that says transform controls. You need to simply go ahead and click on that. You can simply adjust the size of your image. But if you want the image to stay in the perfect proportion, you can press shift in your keyboard, and once you do that, you can simply do this, and as you can see that the image stays in the perfect proportion, and you can resize it as you want. And that's it. You now know how to resize image on Photopea. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.